OMG, Pier Pie, look who is here.
D. Rosie.
Giulia, Pier, are you here to decorate your home too?
Yeah,
Yes.
we are in need of a new bed.
Can we go now? I want a bedside table.
Well, these are ugly and boring.
Well, that's your point of view. I want the white tall one. I felt a connection with it. It makes me feel happy. I am happy. I want this one.
I like this one. I think it would do the job.
Isn't it a bit big?
No.
We broke up.
Because of the bedside table? Dayane, do you like the bed?
It's so big, perfect for the three of us.
I am happy. I am happy. I am happy.
Sometimes, it still feels like I hear her voice.
I still can't believe she fell in love with a bedside table.